Hello, welcome to this week's How's the Market, Pensacola. I hope everybody's all right. I know we've got some people that are still without power. That storm walloped a punch, and I don't think any of us were expecting it. That was crazy that it was on the anniversary of Hurricane Ivan. What is that, 16 years ago? It's been 16 years since we've seen something like that. That was crazy. Anyways, I have a feeling that these numbers may change drastically, but I got these numbers right now. Like I said, with everything coming back online, I would pay attention to next week's more than this one, but I try and give you the numbers every week. So leading into this hurricane, this is what the numbers look like. Let's go. All right, I'm going to make the episode quick. So if you've never seen this show, I always start off with this slide. It says, but if you have between 6 and 7 months worth of inventory, you have a neutral market. Anything greater than 7 months has a buyer's market. Anything less than 6 months is a seller's market. What the slide doesn't say, anything greater than 9 months is a hyper buyer's market. Anything less than 3 months is a hyper seller's market. Again, these numbers are pre-hurricane. So you may have some changes coming very, very soon. In Escambia County, everything under $450,000 is considered a hyper seller's market. $450,000 to $500,000 is a seller's. We drop back down to a hyper seller's for the $500,000 to $550 mark. Then $550 to $650 goes back up in inventory to a seller's. We drop back down to a hyper seller's at the $650 to $700 mark. And then the 700 plus is actually dropped out of neutral and dropped into the seller's category, just barely. Anything under 6 months. 6 months considered a neutral market. We're at 5.9 months. So again, I think that will probably change here as soon as we start to survey more damage and get more people power. Santa Rosa County, anything under $50,000 doesn't exist. Anything under $650,000 is considered a hyper seller's market, and anything else is just considered a seller's. Your luxury over there, again, 5.4 months, so close to a neutral market, but again, I don't see those numbers staying the same. As we get next week's numbers, when things start to come off the market, people start to rent. They'll snap up any rentals as they go to rebuild, and they'll have to put things off. What we need to pay attention to is assignments of insurance claims. If you're looking at selling something without having to repair it and you have an insurance claim, then you can assign your insurance claim. That's going to be a big deal in the next couple of weeks. But here's the numbers. Basically, these numbers came out now, but like I said, there's some people still not having power yet. I don't know what in the world's going to happen with that bridge going over to Gulf Breeze. It looks like that thing's going to be out of commission for a while. So we got a lot of changes coming. Anyways, quick show. Thanks for watching. I hope you're safe. I hope you guys did okay. And we'll catch up next week.
I'm a man on a mission.
My mission is to help people break through all the noise out there and
Don't need no permission.
I want to help you get to actual truth.
On a mission.
Don't you just want the truth?